It's Pete Lavelle here, the Urban Bushcrafter, and we're getting back into the cheap or inexpensive budget gear. And then what we're doing here with this is I had an idea. How can I have something that's multi-use, something that can be used either as a quiver or used as a way to carry equipment, and it's inexpensive. And I had a pair of, before I get into that, let me give you a 5,000-year-old story. There was a man, he was climbing up in the Alps, and whatever happened to him, he fell. And 5,000 years later, in 1991, they found this man, and he's called Utsi. And they found his equipment on him, and that's where this idea came from. So what I did was I went ahead and created a quiver with a pair of jeans, which you can also use your jeans as a backpack. As you can see, this quiver here, I also have a bedroll that's attached to this. And I also have a shemagh. And this is jute twine with a little bit of yarn just to add a little bit of color. And I use leather straps here to hold the jeans. Inside my jeans, I have my water bottle, I have my cover, I also have my atlatl in here, and I have a few other items, as well as what I normally carry on my person, like my knife, my fire kit, and some medical supplies. So to save you from the build, which only took about maybe 3 or 4 hours, give or take, I also went ahead and I grabbed a piece of maple. So this is maple. I went ahead and stained it, and I drilled the holes in here so this way the leather straps can go through there. And I also went here, and I have to probably reinforce this down here at some point in time for the leather straps to go through. So you don't have to use leather, you can use whatever you want as long as it's strong enough. As coming up in here, I will more than likely probably add a flap to this. So this is like a thing that's in the works. So I'll probably add a flap to this, and I may go ahead and waterproof the denim. So as my son says, it's denim jeans, so I may go ahead and dye it at some point in time a brown or a black, but it's an inexpensive piece of gear that you can use to get you outdoors to put your inexpensive gear in. So the way this goes on, it slings around your back and you can carry it. So just like as if you're going to do a Roycroft or like a pack frame, it's real simple. It's just a piece of stick. You could probably use a metal rod. You could probably use a dowel rod that's adequate size enough to go ahead and do this project with. So it's real simple, quick, easy, inexpensive outdoor gear. And until next time, Utsi on, and basically, let's go retro. Be good to your neighbor, and I'll talk to you all soon.